Now let's start our production. Here has 3 dogs. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now here we got 2 dogs. And now look, don't forget this animal's ears, nose, eyes. Later we will let them together. Here we got these 3 dogs. Color these 3 dogs. Take out this gray. Okay, now we finish the first step. Here are the dog's ears, the nose. Finish the first dog. Take out the washi tape. Stick the washi tape back on the dog's head. Put the ears, nose, stick on the dog's head. Cut the washi tape. Okay, now we finish the first dogs. Okay, so for this dog, I will use this brown color. Take out the washi tape. Stick the dog's ears. Okay, now take out the highlight pen. Give them some eyes letter. Now we finish the second one. Last one, we also need to color the dogs. Take out the black one. Stick those parts together. Give some light. Okay, now we finish the last dogs. We finish the color of those dogs. And before that, I will add these 3 birds on this white paper and let those 3 dogs in this board. Some different blue. And change another. Stick this board on the dog. Okay, now we finish this part. So finally, I will add a clear stamp, color paper back on this white paper. Okay, now we finish. And I use these 3 dog dies to make cards. It's just my idea, so I think you can do it better.